say good afternoon and welcome aboard. My name is Tara. I'll be taking you to the summit of Rendezvous Mountain. We've got a 12-minute tram ride to the top. There is a brief informational CD that I'd like to share with you along the way. But if at any time you have a question, feel free to ask. Feel free to move about the car as you can. That's not a problem. Get the views you're looking for. Keeping in mind, we will pass 5 towers on the trip. Slight swing to the car as we pass the towers, so be expecting that. And we're off. In fact, here we are already. Tower number 1. Here we go, Tower 1.
저기도 조그만한 거 있네.
Hello and welcome to the Jackson Hole Mountain Resort, operating in partnership with the United States Forest Service. This aerial tram, which opened to the public in December 2008, offers the greatest continual vertical rise in any ski area in the United States, as well as a unique view of one of America's finest recreational areas. During the next few minutes, we will rise 4,139 vertical feet and travel nearly 2.5 miles to the summit of Rendezvous Mountain. Starting at the valley elevation of 6,311 feet, we travel above forests of aspen, Douglas fir, Engelmann spruce, lodgepole, and white bark pine amidst a carpet of colorful seasonal wildflowers. Along the way, moose, mule deer, black bear, and many smaller animals are often seen. This aerial tram was designed by Maurice Andre, an engineer from Garaventa CTEC out of Switzerland, and employs machinery from Austria, Switzerland, the Czech Republic, and the United States. Technically, this system is called a double reversible or jig-back tram, as the cabins always move simultaneously but in opposite directions. The system is powered by twin 1,000 horsepower electric motors and utilizes over 15 miles of steel cable, 5 structural steel towers, more than 200 wheels of various sizes, 3 independent braking systems, and computerized electronics and weather instrumentation. As one of the safest modes of mountain transportation, the Jackson Hole aerial tram can deliver up to 600 passengers per hour to the summit of Rendezvous Mountain to enjoy summer and winter recreational activities, both in Grand Teton National Park and Bridger Teton National Forest. Characterized by glacial cirques carved through dolomite cliff bands, the natural ruggedness of Rendezvous Mountain is tamed each winter by an average snowfall of over 400 inches. The result is nearly 3,000 acres of unparalleled skiing. The aerial tram, together with Bridger gondola and a variety of other lifts, offers more expert, intermediate, and beginner terrain than most resorts in the United States. With the exception of a few cliff areas at Towers 4 and 5, all the terrain you see below is open from Thanksgiving weekend through mid-April. When our tram car reaches the summit elevation of 10,450 feet, the forest will have given way to talus slopes and alpine tundra. There are over 200 species of plants native to this mountain habitat. Many species of birds, including golden eagles, hawks, prairie falcons, swallows, white-crowned sparrows, and black rosy finches, visit the mountaintop. Seldom visited by larger mammals, golden-mantled ground squirrels, marmots, pikas, pine martens, and red fox make their homes in the rocky terrain of this alpine tundra. Corbett's Cabin, located at the summit, offers gifts, souvenirs, and refreshments, including made-to-order waffles. Hiking trails from the summit range in ability from moderately easy to strenuous, including a 7.2-mile route to the base. Please talk to any staff member if you have questions. If you would like to know more about the aerial tram or other resort activities, including evening dining at the award-winning Coular restaurant, located at the summit of the Bridger gondola, please visit a tram operator on the top or bottom dock. You are invited to stay as long as you like and take any car down that fits into your schedule. JHMR is a smoke-free resort. Therefore, we ask that you do not smoke at the resort unless in a designated area. On behalf of the Jackson Hole Mountain Resort, thank you for riding the tram, and we invite you to visit us on the web at jacksonhole.com when you are back home to plan your fantastic winter holiday.
All right, so we are getting ready to pass the second tram car as it comes down the hill. You'll see it pass out the windows on my side. When the 2 cars pass, it does mark that halfway point of our trip. Here they are.
저기 지나가 밤이 온 거라고. 여기
2, we get the greatest swing out of the car at this tower here, so everybody hold on. Here we go, tower number 2.
여기서 한번 타고 자기 하이원도 이너들이 백객에서 내려오고 사시거든요. 근데 내가 난스카우트 내려오고 15분에 내려오는 거야. 한 번도 안 쉬고. 한번 내려오면 쉬어야 돼요.
스키장은 이쪽은 그냥 가는 데고 저쪽은 스키장 올라가면 또 스키장은 좀
근데 하이킹도 잘 됐고 그러니까 여기서 잘못하면 되는 거예요.
Tower 3.
스킵할 때 이게
스키 코스라고 생각해봐. 보드로 낙엽을 내가 낙엽으로 이렇게 내려갔다가
Alright, tower number 4.
자기 처음부터 소리 나게 쓰고 있어.
Jackson Hole Mountain Resort is located in the southern end of the Teton Range. Out the windows once again on my side of the car. From here we can see the Grand Teton. The Grand Teton is the tallest peak here in the Teton Range. It is the tallest triangular peak you see furthest out in the distance there. The Grand does stand at 13,770.
이거 어떻게 걸어? 여기서 누가 내렸다가 화면적인 잠깐 무슨 말이야? 폴들이 여기서 이렇게 찍는 거야? 잠깐 여기서 잘못해서 그렇게 못 잡으면 그냥 물매기로.
Alright, tower number 5, another swing of the car here.
갑자기 빨라져 왜?
Alright, we have reached the summit of Rendezvous Mountain. The elevation is 10,450 feet. Trams will run every 15 minutes on the hour. Of course, you're welcome to spend as much time up here as you'd like, up until 5:30. Again, 5:30 this afternoon, your last chance down for a tram ride today. The building you see just off the dock here is what we call Corbett's Cabin. It's where you'll find the restrooms and the snack bar and such. Just watch your step walking around. There's still a lot of snow up here. We've tried to clear the path the best we could, but sometimes the snow will turn into ice and or mud. So please watch your step out there. There are ski poles available at the end of the dock. If you'd like to use them for balance, please feel free. We will always have a tram operator at the top here. If you need help or have questions, let us know. Thanks everyone for coming up. Enjoy.
자, 저희는